Here is how to enable WebGL 2.0 in Google Chrome. So first, open Google Chrome. WebGL and WebGL 2.0 need to be enabled for certain websites and online games to function correctly. This guide will provide step-by-step instructions and troubleshooting steps. So go to the top right corner of the Chrome and click on the three dots. Now from the menu that appears, you need to select Settings from the bottom. Even if WebGL is already enabled, it will show you how to troubleshoot it if you are still having problems or if certain functions aren't working due to WebGL issues. On the left side of the settings menu, choose and click on System, which is between accessibility and reset settings. The setting you need is use graphics acceleration when available. For WebGL and WebGL 2.0 to work, this option must be turned on. If it's already on but WebGL isn't working, try turning it off and relaunching Chrome, and then turning it back on and relaunching Chrome again. And after that, it should be working. You can also check if WebGL is enabled by typing this command on your search bar and pressing enter. Look for WebGL, and if it says hardware accelerated, it means WebGL is enabled. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.